Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I am going to attempt to spread some paint fairly adeptly as quickly as possible. That is some Anita's white metallic in the center. Spread to the edge. I'm going to wipe off my excess in my scrape dish and hopefully not leave too many little paint tags. Should have put a slightly heavier line around the center, I think. And I just did a fireworks or flower burst or whatever you want to call it, a vortex. My husband calls it a vortex. In red colors, fire colors. And now I want to do one in blues and purples. And I'm hoping I can do it. And I want to offset it so it's not in the center. That doesn't seem like a bad idea to me at all, because I like the center, but it definitely gave the absolute impression of being flower-like, which I don't necessarily prefer since I really want it to be fireworks looking. I'm not as articulate today as I can be, so you'll have to forgive me for my tongue-twisted faux pas. And now I'm ready to go. And I'm going to scrape off that and throw that in the bucket. I have some Amsterdam Black with Minwax Pre-Stain Wood Conditioner in it. And as long as I can pick it up, yes, I cut myself a triangular piece of acetate. I don't know if you can see that. And then I rounded off one end. So I think I'm just going to, instead of going back and forth in one spot along the edges, I'm going to just keep going. I tried to go the opposite direction in the last one when I swiped from the direction I started with. I don't think that this is a very exact science for me yet. And I would like to create a central point, like in somewhere in here, and that would be cool. I'm not paying nearly enough attention to what I'm doing, I guess. That was some Venetian blue. The first color, I think, is a peacock from Decor d'Americana. This is a Venetian blue that has mostly Anita's white metallic in it. This is actually just kind of fun, spreading the paint across. I have an electric blue that I definitely want in there, that's from Arteza. Maybe I'll fall short. Yeah, my pattern to cross over is definitely not there anymore in this one. It was a different method last time. But here comes the purple. I'm going to give myself a little dioxazine purple. Just so, let's do that. I don't think it's going to make any difference at all. That's my story and I'm sticking with it. This is my favorite folk art color shifting purple. And I thought about just sliding a little tiny bit of red in there, but maybe some pink wouldn't hurt me. Let's see how I feel about that. Maybe just a couple. And I definitely still want some gold. And I think I have 2 more turquoises. One being a cobalt blue that's not from Artist Loft. There's a lot of paint on here already. This is the color shifting turquoise from Folk Art. I'm getting colors I like though. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paints so that they won't crack. I think I'd like to teach myself how to put more colors in one place, like so it looks more dimensional. I totally want some more purple, and I think it's going to have to be the amethyst. Yes, the amethyst from Artist Loft. Cross your fingers. I wanted to put some of this red in, and I don't know why that's bothering me so much. I think it's just what I need. I don't know why I feel that way. That's a color shifting red from Folk Art. Here we go. Let's find a starting place. I think less of that probably is going to be helpful. Hopefully I'll figure it out as I go along. My black seems to be a little thicker than I'm used to right now, but I suspect it's actually the paint. That one was without the black, and that's okay. Now I'm going to go in with my little round tool, and you can search these tools by putting tools in the search box. I want to leave some colors in between this time and drag my tool through so I get some solid colors with drag marks, which seems to be working fairly well. I hope. And make a variation on the pattern too. Could probably do this a lot easier with a basting brush or a fork. And I'm not dipping into the black anymore because I don't really want to affect the colors that much. And I am going to have some heavy paint. Just using the edge of my tool. I'm going to wipe off some of the drippage. Might as well try using the bamboo skewer. I'm sorry, I'm like totally focused on what I'm doing. Kind of wish I'd used a little more white metallic down further, mixing with everything else. Alright, so I'm going to tell you guys, I have over 93,000 subscribers, and at least a few hundred of you watch at a time, and thank you for being here. I really appreciate that. I want more of a curve there, so I'm just going to add it. I hope I don't destroy too many beautiful cells, which is what it seems like I'm doing. Oops. Well, I've got paint to fill in. If I do that, I just scraped a gap. Glad I have black paint below. And is it totally like a firework? Well, we'll imagine that it is anyway, even if it's not. It's pretty cool. I can just keep putting marks in. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow. It seems like it's going to be pretty spectacular. I hope I'm right. All right. Is it? Am I done? I'm trying. I really am. I want to put a dot of gold in the center, maybe silver. Actually, you know what? It's going to be blue. And maybe I'll do the same thing I did last time, which was take a little tiny bit of cell activator and my straw. At which point I'm going to have to drag that out. I'm pretty sure I have a sharp skewer here somewhere. They all have paint on the end. There, that's really what I wanted my center to look like. Alright, I love you guys. Check out the exhibition video on the end screen. It'll show you what the monthly drawing prizes are for those of you who decide to help support the studio's production of videos through PayPal or Patreon. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much to everyone who does that. It's awesome. Thank you also for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. I have over 2,000 videos. If you need something, I have them all organized by playlists, by topic and genre, and by the 100. And as long as the paint is wet, and I want to, I can still pull a few things toward the center if that floats my boat. Like I said, some white would have been nice in there, but I'm liking it. It doesn't even look that off-center to me anymore. It is a little bit, which was part of the plan. Okay, so please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for liking my videos and sharing my videos, and watching them longer is the biggest help of all. My email address is below the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link underneath the video. There's some great cells in here. Pretty colors. Can't wait to see this tomorrow. It's hard to tell with the blues. Blues didn't used to sell, but the cell activator is helpful, and the recipe for the cell activator is Amsterdam Black with Minwax Pre-Stain Wood Conditioner, and you can find it when you click Show More underneath the video. It will open up and give you my regular pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe. My email address is below the link tree, and you can contact me there if you have an interest in information regarding taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or in purchasing a painting, in which case make note of the hashtag and the number, the file number, in the title of the video that you're interested in, or variation on that theme. Check out some of the exhibition videos and give me the time and the date of the exhibition video. I wanted to say thank you guys again for all of the donations that help keep me painting, and thank you again for all the comments that keep my morale boosted. And shop my Amazon link if you are interested in helping me out at no added cost to you. And my 2 books are there, volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Check out the community board for tomorrow's video on my YouTube channel. And if you're looking for Facebook groups, I have a few. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is a good place to find tomorrow's video and more students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of artworks from older YouTube videos. Someday I'll catch up. My Linktree has Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links also. Teespring Clothing is the clothing you see below the video. Actually, it's spring now. And it has Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. And if you're looking for something really super beautiful and high-end, check out the top link on the Linktree, Le Gallerist Clothing from Montreal. I'm not selling much of it, but the people who bought it have been very, very impressed. So it's worth looking at. If you have questions, please ask me. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. It looks really good up here from the monitor. Take care. Bye. I'll see you anon. It's one of those days.